You will love the features of this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.